The technique of Commesso Fiorentino starts with a sketch. The idea comes from the artist's fantasy or from the clients, because we also can do custom works. So the idea can be a photo or just a design, and it will be sketched out on paper. From the sketch, from the image on paper, we transfer on transparent paper, and the artists need to check out that the lines will be visible, and also that the sketch and the image will be possible to be reproduced in mosaic. Because while making a sketch, we have to think that it will be a mosaic. It will be made out of stones. It won't be a painting. It's a stone painting. The sketch, the image, will be then transferred on sticky paper. And this is one of the most important, or the most important phase of all the process, because the image will be divided into many different templates. Each template will be cut out from the total composition and will be glued onto the stone. This is very important. This phase decides the final effect, decides lights and shadows. The artist is going to give the depth to the scenes. It's going to decide and give movement to leaves of flowers. It's going to give life to stones. It's called macchiatura. In Italian means to find the spot, to find the macchia. So the hues of the stones will be found and decided and selected during this phase, so that you can understand that it's the most important part of all the process. It cannot be taught or learned. It's something that the artist has inside. It's in the DNA, or it's more a gift. We cannot teach how to do it. In fact, our father in the past was saying, I can tell how I make, but I cannot tell how you should do it. So you have to find inside you the right means, the right way to get the best from the stones, to give life to stones.